Good day and welcome back. Got another project, hopefully a quick one, a little one. It's going to be on the motorhome in the shop, and it's a little flip up counter extension that I put on, gosh, I don't even remember, maybe 6-7 years ago. And motorhome's really nice, but it's never really had very much counter space. You know, you got the sink, you got little 8 inches right there, you got the top of the stove, and that's about it. So it came with this little factory sink cover that we never used. So I screwed it to the side of the cabinet here, put some flip up hinges or brackets on it, and it's worked good, but I've never really liked the operation of the hinges. They're clanky, they're loud, and they don't really work very well. They're sort of, and you got you got 2 levers here. Of course, you need 2 hands to do it, but when you're doing it, I'll set you down here, show you what I'm talking about. So you press the 2 buttons, but if you don't keep pressing them, it hangs up, and it's just, it works, but it's not great. So I got ordered up a new set of hinges from the old Amazon. Haven't looked at them yet. And they had good reviews. We'll see. Hopefully they're quieter. It looks like they might be. Figure out how to operate it. That seems to be a lot better. A lot quieter. We'll give it a shot. Should be hopefully quick and easy. Pull the old brackets off, put these new ones on. And as I remember, I just ran some screws. I did have to put some 1/2 inch backing in behind here because this stuff is just 1/8 inch thick. It's super thin. I think I had 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 screws here. So I'll pull those screws out, see how I want to attach the shelf to the new brackets, put the new brackets on, and hopefully it'll be easy. This long apex has been real handy. I'm guessing by the sound of that clunk, my backing wasn't anchored. I wonder why I didn't anchor the backing. Oh well. So I got my backing board back up in place, and the old hinge holes I was able to reuse and screw into that backing board. So the backing board isn't going to go anywhere, and I think I can use 1 or 2 of those holes for the new bracket that I put up. So I'll put up the 1 bracket, and I'll set the shelf on it, mark a level line where I want it, because it's going to come just below this shelf here, or the countertop, and we'll see how that works. Ooh, close to that old hole. I've only got one screw in the bracket. I'll go ahead and anchor the shelf temporarily, and then I'll just see how it goes up and down. Is that going to go through? It could. That looks like it could go up. Heck, an eighth of an inch. Definitely need to square it up. Something's making it cockeyed. It might not have been parallel. These may not have been parallel to each other. Might make a difference. So it was about a 1/4 inch out of alignment. This, not sure which one was which. Moved them around to where they were parallel. And I still just have the one anchor on the back side and one anchor on the bottom of the, or the underside of the counter, and go up and down with it. Not sure I can do it one hand. And it sort of squares itself up. It's got a good line on the underside of the cabinet. So I'll run the rest of the screws in and call this one a wing. Well, that wasn't too bad. I like the way it operates over the old one. The old one just was not that great of a hinge. Goes up, goes down, nice and quiet. And if you're short on counter space like we are, it's just nice to have that extra space. So the wife has really enjoyed it over the years, so figured I'd improve it a little bit. But yeah, you can do that if you don't have one. You can definitely add those brackets. They don't look too bad. It's a pretty easy install. I'd recommend it if you can, if you got the room to do it. And that's about it for this one. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you on the next one.